Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes and this is a Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX. What a cracker of a sports touring bike these are. Great power, low down power, loads of pulling. Anyway guys, 2020 plate, it's done 8,827 miles. Kawasaki panniers on this, you've got the Shad top box, full colour TFT display. This one's also got the Puig tinted screen on there, which is adjustable as well, and I'll show you that in a second. It's got cruise control on the Ninjas, you can adjust the power. Let me just show you this down there as well. Hey! Up and down, fully adjustable. Like I say, full colour TFT display. Different power modes, you've got the quick shifter on these as well. Absolute belter of a bike. So if you're looking to do some mega miles, really comfortable, got that sports feel and look about it, look no further, get this bought. In order to get this one purchased, dead easy, pop down to Jordan Bikes, simply just give us a call. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.